Yes, today I'm going to teach you how to rank number from ascending to descending. To rank number from ascending to descending means that you rank number from smallest number to the largest number, and this formula can help you to rank student position or to find the smallest number and the largest number in a certain range. Yeah, so by doing so, I'm going to teach you step by step how to rank number or how to rank student from ascending to descending, means from smallest number to the largest number. First, you have to click equal sign, then write rank, then open a bracket, then which number you're going to rank. I want to rank this one, comma, in this range. Which range? I'm going to rank this number, the first student, from this range. And in order to get range, you have to highlight this one. As you can see, my range is this one. After that, put after that, then comma 1. Yes, when you add comma 1, it means that you are going to rank number from ascending to descending. As you can see this one, when you put comma 0, it means it is from descending to ascending, means from largest number to the smallest number, and comma 1 represent from ascending to descending. This one, ranking number as if reference where a list sorted in ascending order. It means from smallest number to the largest number. After that one, you have to then click enter. But before, drag the formula. My range is from O2 up to O30. This is my range. When I drag this range, can change. So in order to avoid changing of range, you have to apply $sign or relative number. This one $sign. It means that you have crossed O2 up to O30. So only this one can change. When I drag, this one can change, while the range cannot change. Then click enter. After that, put your cursor downward to the right corner, then drag. Yes, as you can see, let us find which has given number 1. Number 1, this one, which is the smallest average. The smallest average is 22.5 in this range, and is given number 1. While number 29 is this one, which has average of 99.5. So in order to range number from ascending to descending, means from smallest to the largest number, you have to add comma 1. But when I remove comma 1, put comma 0, this one will change. As you can see, when I drag, the student which has the number 1 will be the last, whereas the first one will be this one, which has the highest average, which is 99.5. Yes, I'm sure you understand what I'm teaching. So the difference is this one. So when you rank from ascending to descending, put comma 1, while when you rank number from descending to ascending, means from largest number to the smallest number, put comma 0, or even if you don't apply 0, the answer will come up. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get the next video. Also like, share and comment. Thank you very much.